Okay, we are now on to challenge number 33. So this time we're taking a little detour. We're still going to evaluate for Boolean expressions, true, false. But this time we're not looking for greater than or less than. For the next series of tutorials, we'll take a look at if something is equal to something else. So that's a different type of assignment or symbol, and that's the double equal sign. Okay, so when we're looking at writing pseudocode in the flowchart, and also if we're trying to evaluate something in the on the actual computer program, we're going to use the double equal sign for doing that. So this particular challenge is evaluate if 15 is equal to 15. So just as a review, real quick, when we use the single equal sign in our programs, either in the pseudocode, in the flowchart, or actually in the code itself, that's called an assignment. So we're simply assigning a value to a variable, and that's a little bit different. When we use the double equal sign, we're actually using, we're doing a comparison. This is actually saying, are they the same? Are they equal? Okay. Is this number the same as this other number, or is this word the same as this other word? Okay. So we're going to use that consistently for the next 6, 7, 8 tutorials. So let's see how that plays out. So this time we're going to actually store both numbers in different variables and of course display the instructions to the screen. Now this time, of course, we'll use the diamond for the decision maker in terms of the icon in the flowchart and display the output. So this time we're going to continue to challenge our learners. Should this output be true or false, or is this output true or false? And we'll find out. So again, in the pseudocode, we're simply using this expression here. So evaluate 15 equals 15. And then again, store both numbers in their respective variables. Then do num1 equals 15, and then the output. In the flow chart, we're still going to take a look at the same structure. So we're going to use a display icon, a storage icon, another storage icon, and the diamond decision icon. So num1 equals num2, and both of them will have is it true or is it false, and just display the output. So there's our code structure as it would look if we were to write it in Scratch. Let's go ahead and take a look at it as if we're going to write it in Python. So we do have a num1 and a num2, and then we're going to evaluate if num1 is equal to num2, and if they are the same, print true, and if they're the false, print false. So let's go ahead and run the program. And we evaluate 15 is equal to 15 and true. So those two numbers are the same. Good job, and I'll see you in the next challenge.